Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It is finally time to decorate the house. So today we are doing a clean and decorate. So I've decided I don't like doing voiceovers anymore, so this is going to be a bit of a vloggy clean with me. Hopefully that sits well. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let me show you what I'm working with. All of this. And that guy. So both these bins have decorations in them. This is going to be the tree and main decorations are in here. And then everything that is not Christmas decorations is going to go in that bin. That's like my alternate season bin. I have to get this table cleaned off completely. I have to empty that bin. I have to put away the fall decorations. I have to take out and sort the Christmas decorations. And then we have to clean the respected areas where they are all going to go. All the Christmas magic. And a beer in a tree. Oh. Golden Toques. Bob and Doug Mackenzie. I think that looks okay. That's so cute. I might reconfigure this once I can see what it looks like in the dark. But look at that. That looks pretty. The other thing I have to do is I'm gonna have to move the table so that we can fit the Christmas tree here. Don't eat the book, please. I'm gonna remove the unnecessary chairs and bring those downstairs and also get this table dealt with. Pink Fong Christmas song. Baby Shark Christmas. Merry Christmas. Christmas Shark. I don't know if any of you moms have tried watching any other Pink Fong songs that aren't Baby Shark, but they're awful. They're so bad. Okay, centerpiece stuff. Vase stuff. Okay. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Jesus Christo. Candles. These are kind of centerpiece because I don't actually like those ones. I need bubble wrap. Michael Bublé wrap. What's this? I'm not good at this. Why do I suck at stuff? Okay, what is in here? E. Vase stuff. More vase stuff. This vase is gonna be popping. T-Rex miss. What is that? Start putting the vase filling in a bag, courtesy of No Frills. Just kidding, I paid for it. This is the centerpiece stuff from the kitchen. Let's tape on this guy. And then roll it. Good enough. So this is the Christmas bin. I think everything's under the tree. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Not doing the tree yet. What is down here? More ornaments. Okay, I need this. And I need these. Excuse me, sir. And then I need this. Oh, nin, nin, nin. And then everything else can go back in here because we are not doing the tree yet. How? This doesn't fit. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna start with the vase. Oh, oh, oh! Jingle bells, jingle, jingle, jingle. Pumpkins! all the fall stuff done. Oh yeah. Call him on the mobile phone. Ooh. I like the red. I think the red kind of helps tie in the candy cane. He got a placemat. He took off with my placemat. Ooh, it's, oh my god. Look at this glitter. That's just from those balls. That's just from the balls. Let's put this together. So, we got balls. We got this. Is that too much? I'm just gonna pile these in here. Yeah. I figured it out, Rory. It's okay. Oh, living room centerpiece success. It's very bulky, but I think like once like the candle's lit up and stuff and it'll be shining off of the like hollow, I'll show you at the end, but oh, I like it. Centerpiece. I actually kind of like it that way instead of in the middle of the table because then I don't have to move it. I can just leave it there. Ooh, yes, I will show you everything lit up at the end. It's almost snooze time, dude. Face. Ta-da! I usually like to do something right here just to kind of cover this stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. We've got the shiny plate. 2020. And then we got the eat, drink, and be merry sign. And my little tea lights, and these have like glittery things in them. Uh-oh. Thanks, dollar store. Oh my goodness. These are busted. Okay, well it was a good concept, but these lights are broken. So pretty. Yeah, I know. All the snow melted. It's horrible for filming a Christmas video. Oh, the end. Oh, crap. Christmas trees down here. Done! And then I'm throwing out this guy because it bled. It looks gross now. Okay, and that is everything in the living room until we get the tree up, which will go right here. I'm going to be doing that tonight, so it'll be too dark to film it, but I will get some little clips of what it looks like afterwards. Now let's move to the kitchen. I have this. Oh, no one sits in those seats, so it doesn't really matter. This beautiful Dollarama glittery reindeer. Charmed aroma, sugar and spice. Oh, it smells so good. Or ginger and spice, that's what that one is. Ginger. And there you have it, folks. Oh, cool beans. Okay, we'll be right back with the Christmas tree.